Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. And before I go in with any eyeshadow products, I'm first going to prime my eyelids and I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. To apply this, I'm using the Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this primer. And I've actually used this primer for so many years. I love that it removes all the redness from the eyelid and it leaves a really nice blank space for my eyeshadow. Now I did apply some eyeshadow guards, which you can see me doing right now. If you don't have those, you can use some regular sticky tape. And I'll be playing today with this palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm actually doing a giveaway because I have this palette double. So if you want to win this palette, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some blue emojis down in the comment section. This way I know you are joining this giveaway, and I will announce the winner within 4 days on my Instagram actually. But if you want to win this, just leave a comment and I'm gonna respond to the winner in the comment section, exchanging some contact information to get their address and stuff. So if you haven't been contacted, you know you didn't win. But you can also keep an eye on my Instagram story because there I will be announcing it as well. So I use this blue shade all the way in the crease and also on the eyelid. This is like the base color for today's eye look. And I just kept blending until I was satisfied with how it was looking. And then I went in with the darker shade, which comes in this palette, and I blended this along the lash line. Since this palette has only 4 shades, I didn't have like a lot of options on what to do with it, but I wanted to create kind of like a soft blue look, which I think a lot of people actually feel kind of intimidated with blue eyeshadow. But I feel like since this color is quite soft, it kind of makes it wearable. Like I would definitely wear this outside, and I don't really like wearing colorful looks outside, which you maybe wouldn't expect if you check my YouTube. I do so many colorful looks, but for on a daytime, I kind of like to keep it soft, and I think this shade is just perfect. So I wanted to create kind of like a smoky wing liner. That's why I used that dark shade along the lash line. Then now I went in with a wing liner brush to kind of make the edges a little bit sharper using that same dark eyeshadow. If you want to intensify, you can make your brush wet, and this way the eyeshadow is gonna turn a lot darker, which is really nice. Then I removed the shadow guard and I went in with this black pencil. I will make sure to put the name in the description bar. I was actually not 100% happy with how it was looking in the waterline. It is black, but after like a few minutes it was kind of like starting to go away. So I think it's not a waterproof pencil, but regardless, I do think it looks beautiful, but it's not like the best pencil I've ever used. Now I'm going back in with the darker shade and use this for underneath the lower lash line, using a really tiny smudge brush from Eyeshadow Cosmetics and applying this right underneath the lower lash line. Also kind of on top of the waterline to really connect the darkness with the waterline, so there's not like any skin peeking in between. Then now going back in with that light blue shade, which I used all the way at the beginning in the crease area and on the eyelids, and blending this underneath the lower lash line as well, and just making sure that everything looks well blended out. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid liner, and I'm going to use this to create a pointy inner corner. This is optional, I just decided to do this last minute. I felt like this is gonna make the eye look even more pointy, kind of giving it that Foxy eye look vibe, which I really like. And since I also created that smudged wing liner, I think it really suits with the eye look. Then now curling the lashes, I'm using a lash curler from House of Lashes. Then now taking this Essence Divine 24 Hour, I think, mascara it's called, I'm not quite sure, but I will make sure to put the link, the name in the description bar, and also with the link if you want to purchase. And I use this for my lashes. I'm going in with some fake lashes, so I'm never really focused on my upper lashes since I'm going on top of with fake lashes, so you won't be able to see them anymore. But I am always focused on my lower lashes, trying to make them look as long as possible. And the lash style I'm wearing is from Anytude. I will make sure to put the name in the description bar. I sell them on my website together with a discount code. I think these lashes actually look so good with this eye look. And yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to join the giveaway. I will also make sure to put all the details in the description bar. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.